you. David Weinstein is with us now. He's a partner at Jones Walker LLC and a former federal prosecutor. So as you look at this and the legal arguments on both sides, it's a pretty detailed account of that day. What do you make of this latest filing and the revelations?
Well, Marni, it has to be. This is what the special prosecutor did in response to the opinion that was issued by the Supreme Court. It was a two-step process for him. First, he superseded the indictment, following the instructions of the Supreme Court to remove what they perceived to be official acts from the indictment. And now he's putting forth a roadmap for Judge Chutkan to follow to determine that the acts that are included and the evidence he intends to introduce are private acts. And if, in fact, some of them aren't private acts, they're not acts that are within the power of the executive branch of the president. And so it took him 165 pages to do it, and he did it in great detail so that Judge Chutkan could then go to the next step on her path, which is to hold a hearing, make a determination, and then decide that this case is ready to go to trial, allow the former president to try to rebut these facts, and if he can't, to set this case for trial.
And timing-wise, Trump's criticism is the timing of all this is curious. Does he have a fair argument there, and does it happen between now and November?
Well, let's go with the fair argument. He doesn't, Marni. Remember, this pleading was filed pursuant to the direction of the court in terms of the Supreme Court issued a ruling. Judge Chutkan said, let's move forward with this. They filed this pleading under seal, and she reviewed it, and it wasn't the special prosecutor who revealed this yesterday. It was the judge. She issued her order. She said that with the redactions, it can go public. There are additional documents that are attached that are still under seal. The parties are going to argue about what portions of those become public. And so it wasn't the special prosecutor who revealed this yesterday. It was the judge. Now, as far as timing goes on all of this, look, the election's in 30 days. There's unlikely to be a hearing on this motion in the next 30 days. Stranger things have happened, but I don't see that happening. But Judge Chutkan's going to move this case forward. She's going to address what was said in the special prosecutor's motion. She's going to give Trump's team time to respond, and then she's going to move this case forward.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.